friends, I am going to tell you a story. One day, a thirsty ant was looking for some water. After walking for some time, she saw a river. In the river, there was water, and the river was very full. And her ant's foot slipped, and she fell into the river. And she shouted, "Help! Help!" A dove was sitting in the tree nearby. She heard his cries. Then he plucked a big leaf and dropped into the water. The leaf fell near the ant. The ant climbed on the leaf. The leaf floated on the dry land, and the ant climbed. And bye friends, then we will meet again in the next video. Like, share and subscribe.